In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom brush in MediBang Paint. Now to do this, you have two options. The first one is going to be to create a basic brush, so go to the bottom left here, where you can of course see the brush menu. If you can see it, go to Window and then select Brush over here, and it's going to pop up here at the bottom left. Then you can just go and click on this button to add a brush, and there we go, you can give it a name. If I name this one Tutorial, you can select the pen over here as well, or something else, then the width and the minimum width, etc. And then over here you have some more options, and when you click on OK, it's going to create that specific brush for you. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. But if you want to be a bit more advanced, you could go and actually draw the brush shape and add it from your canvas. So to do this, you can just choose anything. I'm just going to choose this school pen over here. I'm going to make it a bit bigger, and we're just going to make like this over here. And let's say I want to make this into a pen, so I can just go and click on this button, add brush, bitmap, and then click on from canvas. You could also do from file. I'm going to do from canvas, and I'm going to click on OK. I want to continue, and as you can see, you can actually create your own brush that way. So I'm going to name this one wave brush, for example, and you can select the type you want. I'm going to select bitmap, and here you can select the width as well, and then you can go and change minimum width, and you have like a bunch of different things out here like brush spacing, etc. I'm going to leave it like it is, but of course you can change it if you want to, and then click on OK, and the brush is going to be created. As you can see, the wave brush, and if I make it a bit smaller, I can use it, and there we go, it's actually the wave brush which I created. Okay, so that way you can also make a custom brush in MediBang Paint. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.